If we want to add translations for some content on the page, we need to do that from the dashboard. Let's say we want to add translations for some post. First, we need to go into Posts. Here we can see all posts that are added on the page. We can also see that all current posts are translated in English, since they have a check mark under the US flag. If we want to add translations for some post, first we need to do is clone the post. When we clone the post, the clone is labeled as draft. We click on that and then we can see the details of the cloned post. The cloned post is currently in English. We want to add translation for other language, let's say Macedonian. We choose the language from the language section, and then we must say for which post this translation is for. We do that by choosing here the Design for Circle project post, which has translation in English, and then we can simply add the translations. We add the translations by editing the content for the post, for the title and for the main content. With that, we have translations for the post. We just need to click Publish, and the Macedonian translations for the Design for Circle project post are added to the page. Then we will go into Pages and show how we can add translations for a page. Let's say we want to add translations for the home page. The same applies. First, we need to clone the home page. The cloned home page will be shown as a draft. Click on it to go into the details for the home page. Same applies. Choose the language in which you want to add the translations. We want to translate the page in Macedonian. Under Translations, we choose the page for which we want to add translations for. We want to add translations for the home page, which is currently in English. We can change the title in the title area, and then we should go in Edit with Elementor. We click here Leave the page to go into the Elementor mode. Once we are in the Elementor mode, we can see the objects for which we can add translations for. Click on the object you want to add translations for, and on the left side in the Edit area, you can add the translations for that object. Just click on the object you want the translations for from the right, and then to the left you add the translation for that object in the language you previously selected from the dashboard. Click on Publish, the green button on the bottom left, and then go top right and click on Exit to Dashboard.